two conversations again. And one thing I'd like to, how can I put this? I don't want to be serial number one. It'd be great to see other entities, companies, financial institutions, whatever we're talking about. But if you see other entities using it and working out the bugs, and it becomes reliable and secure. I keep going back to that, and I
Definitely.
would be more comfortable in utilizing. How's that?
Great. That was great. And on the flip side, are there any use cases in energy or infrastructure where this technology might make sense?
And it's I'm open.
Think of it as a distributed ledger
Right,
technology.
right, and I think you alluded to something. I'm going to say one thing I skipped wasn't intentional. Maybe it was. In my background, I got out of high school and I thought I wanted to be an accountant. And I went to one semester and quickly dropped out of that and said, you know what? Going to boot camp would be a lot better than this. So with that background, I don't have a great background in business, but I
Got
think
you.
you alluded to it that it sounds like there may be some applicability. You talked about credits,
Renewable energy credits, RECs.
exactly. Renewable energy. You talked about HRSG and solar credits, and I don't know, it's continually changing. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Every 4 years, does it seem to change for some reason? I don't get it, but that was some humor. But you know what
Yeah,
I'm saying is there may be applicability for those types of accounting functions. I don't know.
I think it's important to say that I think this is important to say out loud that skepticism here isn't resistance. It seems like it's more responsibility.
It's that regulating valve. I'm not shutting down the valve so there's no flow, but it's not wide open. It's healthy skepticism can be healthy a little bit.
Hey Tom, before we wrap up, all right, let's zoom out real quick. From your perspective, what is one question that the digital tech world should be asking engineers?
Oh, um, a lot of I'm going to boy, you narrowing it down to one. I think it's in all those questions that you were asking. Maybe knowing the background of an engineer, how can we make what we're doing uh, secure and reliable? Um, just engineers and I think engineers in general, um, we're innovators. Change is good, but not necessary. We are moderated. It's that pressure regulator. We're making sure that when we implement change, we're sure that it'll be secure, it's safe, to a benefit. The benefit
Gotcha.
outweighs the risk.
Definitely. Looking ahead, what gives you confidence or concern about the future of power over the next 10 to 20 years?
Um, Again, everybody's different. I'll throw one thing out there as especially with advancements in computer artificial intelligence, general artificial intelligence, all of this, and the usage of, or yeah, again, I get back to energy is not created nor destroyed, only altered in form, but we're using more energy. I think people would agree with that.
Yeah,
So if you're using more energy, we've got to find more forms of energy so we can convert that to electrical energy and support that usage of energy. And that will be it's been the struggle over the last whatever 30, 40 years, and it will continue to be a struggle as long as our appetite for energy usage keeps increasing.
that was great, Tom.
And
Thank you.
and I don't think I the discussion of what type of energy, fossil fuels, hydro, wind, solar, nuclear, for me, everything's on the plate. Other people have some concerns about some forms, which is fine. We need to make sure that we've got the resources to support the energy that we're wanting to use.